Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to create a passcode on YouTube Kids. But first I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First, open the app. Then tap on the lock icon at the bottom right corner. Type in the result of the multiplication. Tap on Submit. Tap on Settings at the right side of the screen. Scroll down and at the Parent Verification section, tap on Create a Passcode. Type in the passcode. Confirm your passcode. And that's pretty much it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing and see you in the next one. Bye!